Right, so we're going to be looking at using sliding set squares. So I don't know what that might mean in the name. Actually.
Where you get the two set squares on top of each other.
Yeah, good man. Get the two set squares on top of each other. So, what you do is, when you're working with angles, you only have your 30 degrees, your 60 degrees, and then your 45 degrees, and obviously your 90 degrees on these set squares. So, using sliding set squares is just an easy way of transferring angles without actually having to always measure using the protractor. So if you measure once with the protractor and you want to do that angle again parallel to it, you use your sliding set squares. So the first thing I'm going to do is just going to draw an angle. So guys, you looking up and say this is my center point. Okay, so I'm going to do an angle of, let's just say if I want to do an angle of 72 degrees. So I'm going to mark that off there, 72 degrees. So you all remember how to use the protractor. Okay, so there's my angle at 72 degrees. Now I need to say like the Nike logo we done. So it had a few angles all at 60 degrees. So imagine if we're doing that logo again and the angles were at 72 degrees or 73 degrees, sorry. Would I keep going along with my protractor? No, I wouldn't, because it takes a lot of time to do that every time. So what I do is, say if I wanted these lines at 72 degrees, 73 degrees, sorry, I want them 10 millimeters apart from each other. So I mark along the line every 10 millimeters. What I do next is, I'm going to get my 45 degree set square. So if you can see there, and I'm going to line it up with that line. Okay, so it's perfectly in line with that line. Then I'm going to get my 60-30 and I'm going to put it underneath my 45 degree set square. And then I just slide it along to the next point. Slide it along again. And keep going, putting in all your points. So all those lines are all parallel to each other. And they're all at an angle of 73 degrees. Say if I wanted to do a line perpendicular to this line at 73 degrees, how would I do that? So again, I just use my sliding set square. So if I wanted to draw a line 90 degrees to this line, which is already at 73 degrees, again, just line up your set square, put your other set square underneath. Now you're going to, instead of marking on this side, you're going to mark it on the other side. So that will give me an angle of 90 degrees. Everybody happy enough? So that's how you use your sliding set squares to transfer angles.